In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide WooCommerce posts from your homepage, category, author, date archive, and even the search page using the Hide Post plugin. First, go to your WooCommerce dashboard and make sure the Hide Post plugin is activated. Once it's enabled, open the Posts section where you can see a list of all available posts. For this demo, I'll be hiding a post titled, "The Future of Software Testing." Click on Edit for that post, and it will take you to the post editor. Now scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page, where you'll see the Hide Post visibility options. Before applying any changes, let's quickly check how this post looks on the website. On the home page, you can clearly see the post displayed. When we open it, you'll notice it was written by Admini under the category Computers and Accessories and published in September 2025. If we search for the title, it also appears in the search results. Now, let's go back to the back end and start hiding it. Under the Hide Post options, select all the places where you want to hide it: Home, Category, Author, Date Archive, and Search pages. Once you've selected them, click Update to save the changes. Now let's refresh each page on the front end to see the results. On the search page, the post no longer appears and instead shows the message, "Sorry, but nothing was found." On the author page under Admini, the post is gone. Similarly, on the category page for Computers and Accessories and Date Archive pages, it's hidden. And finally, on the home page, the post has completely disappeared. That means our post has been successfully hidden from all the selected pages. Thanks for watching.